Hi, my PlainJains, and welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be doing a nail application on this custom set that I made for myself. And we have our cuticle remover from Sally Hansen, our cuticle tool, nail clipper, alcohol, and our nails of the hour. So without further ado, let's get started. We are cleaning up our nails, trimming them down, and then we're gonna actually use a nail file to get them smooth so we don't have any sharp edges underneath. And then we are going to apply our instant cuticle nail remover. Let that sit for a couple of seconds. I know the video is sped up, but you want to let that sit for at least 3 to 5 seconds. I believe it says. Whatever you see on my left hand, I'm also doing to the right hand, but I did my right hand off camera because baby, I am not ambidextrous. Okay, so I am doing my left hand, but as you can see, I'm also doing my right at the same time. It's just in between cuts and in between pauses. So we are taking our cuticle tool and pushing our cuticles back while we have the instant cuticle remover on our nails. I just prefer it this way. It's smoother. It collects all the dead skin. I can just wipe it off on a napkin. And then after we're done with that, we're going to take some alcohol and a paper towel and clean off any dead skin that was left over. Just get up in there real good. You want to clean the crevices of those cuticles. Now, like I said, I prefer this way better. Like, you're not cutting into your nail bed. You're not trying to dig up in there or anything like that. We are, you're not in a salon. We're not professionals like that. Now we're going to take our drill, our nail bit, and we're going to remove the shine off our nails or anything that was left over on our nails prior to application. I like to get in the cuticle area as well, just to give it that polished look. Again, I don't go too crazy in this area. It may look like it because the video is sped up. However, I am gently and lightly going over that area. Whatever is loose will knock off, and if it doesn't, it just doesn't. Like, I'm not trying to go crazy in there, but I gently do this, like hover and not go too crazy on that area, because sometimes people do have sensitive cuticle areas. I know I do, so I just want to polish it a bit and just give it that polished look before we do the application of the press-on nails. And then after that, we are going to clean that off with some alcohol, again with our paper towel, and then we're going to glue and apply. This is very important before we apply our nails. So I know I had some people or some individuals like come up to me and be like, how do you apply your your nails? How do you get them to stick and stay so long? So you have to buff underneath, not just your nail, but the press-on nail themselves. Like, you have to get underneath them, because for some reason, like the buffingness or it not being smooth underneath, it really helps attach to your buff nails as well for some reason. I don't know, it's like magic. I don't know, I can't explain the chemistry. I don't know, it just does, and it lasts for a very, very long time. I know for me it lasts for 2 to 3 weeks. So And if you don't have a e-filer like mine, or if you have nails that are smaller, and the drill cannot get into it, then you are going to want to use a regular nail filer or nail buffer. You just want to make sure that the inside of the press-on nail is rough. Like, you don't want it to be smooth during the application site. You want it to be rough, so when you hit that glue and that glue hits your nail and the press-on nail, it's stuck, it's up, it's stuck like glue, like just like that. So as you can see, I am applying from pinky to thumb because it's easier that way. You can lift up the nails that way. And then the glue that I am using is Model 1's nail glue. I don't know what it is about this Model 1 nail glue, but baby, let me tell you, this nail glue lasts forever. I like it. It works for me. It might work for you. It may not. But this thing, as I am doing this voiceover, my nails are still on. Like, I wash dishes, I bathe, I shower. Like, this glue, if you are heavy-handed, or you do, like, I'm not gonna say like rough and tough, you know, you gotta do stuff with your hands type of thing, but if you're, you know, mild to moderate work, this glue stays on. Okay, so Model 1's nail glue for sure is great for press-on nails. If you're looking for a strong adhesive or a strong glue for your nails, baby, this is it. And we are going to apply our thumb, because like I said, what I do to the left, I'm doing to the right, but off camera. And as you can see, they're looking just lovely so far. Oh, okay, I guess never mind. I guess you guys can see it. You guys can see me doing application on my right hand. But yeah, like the prep work on my, see, already I told y'all, the prep work on my, using my left hand for my right. Oh, I commend those that can do it. It's a talent. A talent that I have not acquired yet, but I will, don't worry. It's coming. But it's great practice and focus. Like, you really have to focus. I don't know what it is about that left hand getting to the right. I don't know. But we are applying our nails to our right hand, and I'm using our multi-purpose rubber tool to get that excess glue off. And I'm going to continue the process until we get to the thumb. And also with doing the glue application, you want to make sure that you're not going crazy with the glue as well. I do maybe like one drop or one swipe on my nail for the glue at the application site, and I do one side swap on the nail themselves, the press-on nails, so I can, it won't be as much glue coming out, because when you press down, you know, sometimes there's like glue coming out, like excess glue, and I used to be like really heavy-handed with glue, like for real. But a little goes a long way. So even you have the brush on glue, because you know you have the one in the tube, you have the brush on. When you have the brush on glue, honestly, just whatever excess is on that brush, just wipe it off and then use whatever is left over for your application site. And I'm telling you, it goes a long way. And I prefer the brush on glue because it kind of just like nail polish, it comes on flat, it comes out thin, it doesn't come out thick. So we are going to add on the finishing touches to the thumb, and then we're going to apply our cuticle oil. So we applied our cuticle oil. We're gonna rub that bad boy in, get all in the ridges, you know. So, you know, our parched little hands can be quenched. At least my hands can be quenched. And look at that, guys. Look at those press-ons. Let me know how you feel about the application process. If you love it, like it, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I can do more of these applications if you would like. Let me know in the comments below. But until then, guys, again, be safe out there, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.